Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and data safety. Plug the charger, confirm battery is at least 20%, and prepare a PC with ADB and Fastboot installed. Once done, enable USB debugging if possible. This allows ADB access for logs and sideload. Make sure you note your exact device model and whether a custom recovery exists, because flashing steps differ. Now, reboot into recovery or bootloader. Hold the device-specific key combo so you can inspect logs and choose the appropriate repair path. You'll now gather and act on diagnostic data. Pull Logcat via ADB and review recovery logs for repeated errors like corrupted system files or incompatible modules. If logs point to caches or Dalvik issues, wipe the cache partition first. This often fixes Android is starting loops. If not, sideload the official OTA package or flash the stock boot and system images using Fastboot. This replaces damaged files while keeping user data when possible. Make sure to match build numbers exactly to avoid firmware mismatch. You finish by rebooting into the system and watching the first boot. Allow up to 15 minutes, because optimizations can take time. If the device still loops, back up what you can from recovery or via ADB, then perform a factory reset as a last resort, since this clears user data, but often resolves persistent corruption. If that fails, reflash the full factory image that exactly matches your device SKU and carrier variant. Troubleshooting tip. If flashing errors appear, check USB cable, ports, and the correct drivers first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.